Hello to everyone. My name is Cesar Rios. I am MD and virologist. I am from Bolivia in South America. I took the courses about BDG Lifesciences. It was a wonderful experience because the online teachers are very patient and very competitive workshop. So I encourage to take these kind of courses students, medical students, doctors, and bioscientists because it's a great experience. So, and take care, guys, and don't forget to stay at home. Bye bye.
Hello, I'm Monika Mitra from Barkatullah University, Bhopal. I have completed my master's in biotechnology. I recently attended the one-day training on COVID virus. I found the workshop quite helpful and useful, and it really increased my knowledge about the virus. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ansuman here. I am MBBS and MD Pharmacology, and I am recently working as a senior resident in a medical college in Odisha. As a pharmacologist, we are very much into this computer-aided drug designing course, but almost theoretically. So that's why, as you know, SARS-CoV is this is very uprising during these days. So I have chosen this course, SARS-CoV-2 Computer-Aided Drug Design, under the guidance of BDG Lifesciences, and I really enjoyed the course. And in the beginning, this is pretty tough for me, but eventually I just took up with the pace, and the person who is guiding us, the trainer, he was like, taking care of us very much. He was very much taking care of us, and I really enjoyed doing it. And the course is very much structured, and definitely will also enjoy it. Okay, so I also urge those who are pretty much interested in this SARS-CoV-2 training, basically the new molecules and regarding this computer drug design, and you must pursue this. Okay, thank you very much.
Good morning, sir. I am Ambikesh Soni from AKS University, Satna, Madhya Pradesh, India. I am pursuing my BTech Biotech 8th semester degree program from the same university, it is AKS University, Satna, Madhya Pradesh. And I have enrolled myself for this 1 day, 3 hours hands-on workshop in virtual screening and molecular docking, which is based on SARS-CoV-2. That is online technical hands-on workshop in virtual screening and molecular docking. I have learned much more things that have usually, being honest, I have never learned in my university. And actually, no one has taught like this, the way you taught, sir. Basically this workshop became more interactive the way you taught in various platforms like audio in a form of video and basically the chat form. Just because of lockdown, several things are not possible being offline and on offsite. So you have just organized this online workshop based on various technical tools, basically use of this Galaxy tool, that is actually I have never known earlier. That is the first time I come to know when used it to install it or download it or to register himself in using the email ID. Actually, it was very interactive and quite cool way of teaching the way you taught us. I have learned much more thing that is quite needed and quite helpful for me. And I just hope that I may go through in various other interactive sessions and workshops by the same BDG Life Science. And I just hope my career to be get more and more fruitful. Yeah, right now just I'm going to complete my BTech Biotech degree, and further I'm hoping to continue with MTech Biotech. So that for that I am just I just want to learn each and every concepts and molecule. Basically, right now you taught the way of molecular docking of SARS-CoV-2. It's quite elegant, and way you taught us It's very different session. I have never learned like this in any type of workshop which I have been organized in our university also. It's quite different from each other. The way you talk is quite fruitful and very different way, a very elegant manner, and being so patientful and trying to resolve all such problems of each and every candidates who are facing any problem. It's quite different and very pathetic ways of solving each and every concepts. I'm very thankful and quite helpful by you, by the way you taught us, the way you taught each and every participants. It's quite very good, and I'm happy to join this workshop, and that is a online technical hands-on workshop in virtual screening and molecular docking on based of on the SARS-CoV-2. And I'm sorry, sir, because due to the lockdown and all such things, I'm not able to arrange my laptop here in the hostel, because I've been also been inside in this hostel, so I have nothing, just only through the mobile phone. I have just run the Galaxy server, and further process have not possible for me to continue. That is the three softwares that you have to told to install and to work on the further process and work molecular docking and screening. That I will do later whenever the lockdown will come end up, and I will just get back to my home, and then I will continue with the same on the I noted on the steps and copied, and I just I'm having the email ID, and just I will be make sure that I will just send all such things after the completing things, and just be in contact. I will always be in touch with you regarding any type of problems, and any if I feel any problem, I will be in touch with you and get help by you, definitely, sir. And I will continue myself to get more and more workshops from the same, because I have learned a lot, and I'm very happy to join this workshop. Thank you so much, thank you so much for this session. I'm quite very excellent and very elegant manner you have taught us, and I'm so happy and so proud that I have joined this workshop. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for the way you taught us. It's quite elegant, and so thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hi everyone, this is Kanupriya Jha. I did my BTech and MTech from JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida. Well, coming out from scientific and research background, I feel it's really important to keep yourself updated with new technologies proposed or are being currently used in research. Thanks to entire BioDiscovery team for always conducting an informative and interactive session with us. I'm glad to share one such amazing experience I had with the group while taking one-day webinar course on SARS-CoV-2. I would personally like to appreciate and thanks for the efforts made by Sir Asif Naqvi, the CEO and MD of BDG Lifesciences Private Limited, for sharing his wonderful experiences and knowledge and making this webinar a successful one. The best part of the webinar was it was truly based on one-to-one interaction. The doubts were cleared then and there so that we can move forward with the experiments designed for the day. Now, throwing some rays on the webinar conducted, what exactly we have learned. So the webinar was all about drug discovery, starting with the initial step of compound enumeration to ligand and protein preparation, and then further docking, and concluding it with scoring and ranking. Additional to this, we also acquired certain knowledge about file formats, some servers, some softwares which was required in the process. Also, I would like to add that it was an amazing experience through which I have acquired adequate knowledge for computer-aided drug designing. While concluding it, I would personally recommend everyone to enroll for BDG online sessions. These are truly worth paying attention to, and thus the best online platform to learn and shine. Thank you.